Hello, I would like to welcome you to the course on Advanced Concepts in Environmental Safety Management, OSH 4308. I'm Dr. David Yates, and I'll be your instructor for this course. In addition to being the instructor, I also am the course developer, as well as I'm the author of the text that you'll be using throughout this course. The text contains a couple, two or three errors that you'll find that are pretty apparent as you're going through doing your lessons. Just to let you know, before reading the text, always refer to the course introductions, the videos, as well as the corrections of the text that have been made within those introductions. This can be a very difficult course, which is designed to assist graduates of the program in preparing to take the Associate Safety Professional and the Certified Safety Professional credentials, which are offered to the Board of Certified Safety Professionals. Now, there's a lot of math involved in this course, but nothing more than college algebra and some basic trigonometry functions. There's a chapter in the textbook called Math Review, and I would like to encourage each one of you to review this, to spend some time familiarizing yourself with the content. In order to be successful in this program, however, you will need to read the materials, post your journal entries, submit all assignments, and communicate with me when you are having difficulty. The course is not just about completing or plugging in numbers into an equation. This course is about helping you to understand how to use these calculations. Because math can be challenging for some, I will tell you that I'm offering phone conversations or any outside help that you may need. Just send me an email if you're having trouble, and I will tell you that give it your best effort on the assignments, and if you, in order to help you, if you score less than an 80, I will offer you a chance at a resubmit. Now, the resubmit or the reset on these assignments, you can only get a maximum of 90 points on the retake. In other words, all you got to do is just ask me for a if you're less than 80 degrees. 80 points on your grade. All you need to do is just send me an email, say, hey, I want to retake this, I want to resubmit, and allow me a second attempt, and no problem, it'll be granted. One of the things I want to talk to you about is, from the very beginning, I want you to understand what this course is about. The final project is a culmination of every unit that you'll be used. So the scenario that we'll set, and it'll be applied throughout this course, is that you're an entry-level supervisor, or an entry-level safety professional, working under a certified safety professional, a hypothetical Bob Sanders, who is employed by BSafe Consulting Incorporated. Now, BSafe Consulting Incorporated has been contracted by Acme Manufacturing to conduct different things, various scenarios and various assessments throughout their facilities. At the end of the course, you'll be asked to write a comprehensive report. Now, this report, you'll be graded on the individual unit assessments on the accuracy of your on the accuracy of your calculations and your recommendations. That's where you're going to get the toughest hit on your accuracy. However, the final report is more about putting together the actual report in the form, from a formatting aspect. I'll not really be regrading the calculations, other than if it's a glaring error that you've been asked to correct before and you haven't done so, then you'll be hit on it again, deducted points. So writing is a huge part of any professional career, and therefore great emphasis will be part of this course. In order to assist you with this, in the course announcement, in the course welcome announcement, I also attached an APA format template that must be used on every unit assignment report. If you have trouble and you have some questions about it, send it to me beforehand. I'll be happy to grade it, not grade it, but give you some pointers via email. I I want to ask you, though, that if you are going to send me something via email, that I ask you to submit it through a virus scan program. Okay. When corresponding with me through email, and my email address is william.yates@columbiasouthern.edu, please allow yourself to make sure that you put the course number, the unit assignment that you're in, and keep in mind I may be teaching 2 or 3 of the same type of course, so make sure that you identify yourself as well as your student number if possible. And I do accept phone calls, but I'm also a busy professional as well as you, so I ask that any phone calls that you make, that you set them up, that we set them up and set a time up via email before you call at me. My telephone number is area code 217-413-8205. And like I said, I take phone calls between 5:30 p.m. and 7:30 p.m. Tuesday through Friday, and that is Central Time, as well as Saturday morning from 9 o'clock a.m. to 11:30 a.m. Finally, I want you to learn something. That is my major goal in this whole program, is that you learn something. And if you're not doing that, then we need to work on that, and I take that personally if you don't learn the materials. I have a lot of stake at it, being that it's my course that I developed as well as wrote the text, so I do take it personally, and I want you to be successful as well. So welcome to the course, and I want to thank you for choosing Columbia Southern University as your learning institution. Thank you, and look forward to discussing this course with you.